This is the cordless screwdriver. So this cordless screwdriver is compatible with 1/4 inch and 4mm batch heads. But with the 4mm batch heads, it may require tweezers to take it out. It has 4 torque settings. Turn it on here, you just hold that button and it turns on. So these can both handle different materials with different tasks. There are also 3 lighting modes. So you have these different lighting modes. You have this, you have another lighting mode, a flashing mode here. So, all right, we're ready to go. We're gonna unscrew these. Right now it's on torque setting 3. You take a look at it again, it's on torque setting 4. And then you have back to torque 1. Runs very nice and smooth. Light makes it really helpful. It makes it easy there to see. Lights. The lights comes on. You just hold this power button down. You have that light that comes on. And then you can hold it down again. Turns off. Or you have the flashing mode. Different brightnesses in your flashing mode. Then these buttons here, screw down, screw back up, and then on the screen it tells you you're going screwing down, or when you're reversing it, screwing back out.